So we have three numbers A, B and C. These three numbers are in geometric progression and each of the numbers are positive and greater than 1. Then we need to verify that the given three numbers are in harmonic progression. Let us begin. So we'll start with our given conditions here. So here it's given that the three numbers A, B and C are in geometric progression. Now if they're in geometric progression, then we can immediately see that b squared must be equals to a times c. Now what we'll do, we'll take the logarithm on both sides. So let's take logarithm of b squared equals to logarithm of ac, and we're going to take the logarithm such that both of the two logarithms have a base equals to x. Okay, now on the left hand side we can apply a property to log of b squared. So here the property that we will use is, if we have log of a raised to the power of b, so this becomes equivalent to b times log of a, meaning log of b squared can be also represented as 2 times log of b with respect to x equals to, now here we have log of a times c. So there is a property that means if we have log of the product of two numbers a and b, this can be also expressed as log of a plus log of b, provided all of them have the same base. That means log of AC will be log of A with a base of x plus log of C with a base of x. Now this particular condition tells us that log A with base x, log B with base x and log C with base x are in arithmetic progression. Right. So now what if these three numbers are in arithmetic progression, then what we can do, we can add 1 to each of the terms and they are still going to be in arithmetic progression, meaning 1 plus log of a with respect to x, then the next term 1 plus log of b with respect to x, and the third term 1 plus log of c with respect to x must also be in AP. Now if these three numbers are in AP, then the reciprocal are going to be in harmonic progression. That means 1 over 1 plus log of a with respect to x, then the next term 1 over 1 plus log of b with respect to x, and the third term which is 1 over 1 plus log of c with respect to x. So these three numbers are in harmonic progression.